Hey guys, I know you want that free PayPal money. So in this video, I will show you how to get free PayPal money. So as you can see, I've only got $249 in my PayPal, but I can actually enable plus free $200 and then I'll have that free. So it's super insane, guys. So I'm going to turn that on and let's see if it goes up. So currently I just have $249. So let's see if it increases or not. So no increase. Oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this for your device so you can get free PayPal money. It's super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. This is crazy, bro. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com and we're going to type in PayPal. So as you can see here it is, press install. So there is going to be one more step. So basically there's a verification you got to do. It's just downloading 2 apps and completing the instructions 100% for free from the official app store. So when you do this, you will be basically bypassing any sort of payment and you get the PayPal mod for free. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So you can see the Apple and Android logos right there. So it does work on both iOS and Android, which is awesome, obviously, because nobody wants to be limited to it only working on an iPhone or something. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So now we just got to download 2 of the apps. So for instance, PayPal, we got TikTok down and run for 3 days. Merge Gardens is a game where you got to reach level 9. So just press continue, and then it will bring you to the store, and you just download it and reach level 9. So just make sure you do 2 of these and you're going to be good to go. So that is how to get the PayPal mod for free money on your device. iOS and Android, super insane, guys. Totally works. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps and you're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, tweakmod.com, guys, super insane. Totally works. So if you guys are broke, you'll enjoy this. And yeah, there is a tutorial. So if you're really lost, you can just watch that. Should help you out a little bit more. But yeah, this is super cool. If you're broke and you need free PayPal money, it's actually going to work pretty well for you, in my opinion. I've had no issues whatsoever, so it's pretty insane, bro. Awesome stuff.